May 13, 2025, the market crashed. The Sensex fell over by 1,300 points. If you are caught off guard, then you are not alone. But imagine if you had known this was coming, the case is different. What if you had a tool that could have protected your trade from this crash? Let's break down how you can avoid this market chaos and start trading smarter. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. On May 13, 2025, Indian stock market saw one of the sharpest decline of the year. The Sensex fell over by 1,300 points in just one day. It was a sharp reminder how quickly the market can turn and how important is to have a plan in place. The crash was driven by profit booking after a strong rally and ongoing sell-off by foreign institutional investors. But more than understanding what caused the drop, the key question of us as a trader is how can we avoid this? First, let's talk. If you had been paying attention to the India VIX, you could have anticipated the volatility and adjust the positions accordingly. During volatile period, it's crucial to not overexpose yourself. Large positions in such conditions can lead to massive losses. Always size your trades according to your risk tolerance. Predefined exits like trailing stop loss is also essential. A trailing stop loss automatically locks in profit as the market moves in your favor. On 13th May, if you had trailing stop loss, then you would have exited your positions early, gaining in profit or minimizing the losses. And here's where backtesting comes into play. Too many traders enter the market with a strategy they have never tested in the real market conditions. Backtesting is the key to understanding how your strategy performs during both good and bad market conditions. And that's where QuantMan can make all the difference. With QuantMan, you can backtest your strategies under real market conditions, including volatile period like May 13th. Once you're confident in your strategies, you can deploy it in live and automate your trades. So don't let market crashes leave you unprepared. With the right tools, you can manage the risk, optimize your trades and protect your portfolio even in the times of volatility. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel. Every week, we break down trading strategies, market events and show you how to become a smart trader using QuantMan. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.